Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you my Freetrade Dividend portfolio update. Yes, it's been a minute since we had a look into my Freetrade Dividend portfolio, but it's about time. It's been a month or two now, so it's about time we take a look and have a look at just how it's doing. I have over £7,000 within it now, and we're coming up to the end of the financial year, so I thought I'd update you guys on just how it's been doing. So without further ado, if you could smash that like button, consider subscribing to my channel. We'll get in there and we'll take a look. Catch you in there. Hey guys, welcome into the video. So here you can see the position on my side here, and we are in my Freetrade Dividend portfolio in my ISA, and you can see that I have £7,350 in the account at the moment. I'm currently up by £550, which is not a bad return considering the shape of the market at the moment. So without further ado, we're going to have a look through the positions. There's not many new positions added since my last portfolio review all that time ago, because I've matured my portfolio now and I'm just adding to what I've got. But let's get in there and let's have a look. So first up is AT&T, 28 shares in this one, 14% down at the moment. Unilever, 14 shares, 4% down. 3M, 4 shares, 10% up. IBM, 5.5 shares, just the 1% down at the moment. That's recently recovered actually, because that was suffering quite badly. Shell, 35 shares, just the 1% down. Oil prices have came down a little bit in recent days. Visa, 3 shares in this company now, 0.8% up on this one. Expect it to go a lot better in the future. GSK, 33 shares in this company, £424, 8% down. They have forewarned in the future that they might be conducting a dividend trim, but I've got long-term faith in this company. It's a significant revenue generator, and I believe a small dividend trim will be good for the company. And I'm still going to get rewarded as a shareholder. That knocked the share price just a little bit, but I'm not too fussed about that one. Coca-Cola is next, 11.1 shares in that, down 4% at the moment. AbbVie, 5.2 shares, 13% up, which is pretty good. I've reinvested a dividend from them recently as well. BP, £294, just the 1% down, again because of oil prices, 100 shares in these. Legal & General, made a really good investment in these guys, 103 shares, up 32% at £283. Pepsi is next, 2.6 shares, down just the 1%. Pepsi has just sort of traded sideways really for the whole time that I've owned it. It's never gone down more than 5% and never gone up more than 5%, but it is a solid growing dividend payer, so I'm happy with that. Sage is up next, 44 shares in this one, down 5%. I averaged down a little bit because it dropped off because of some of their upward forward-looking statements predicted that their revenue might not be as solid, but I believe that it will be, and they're moving to a subscription model, so that is much better in my opinion. Raytheon Technology, 4.6 shares, up 89% on that one, £256. McDonald's, 1.3 shares, up 7%. Caterpillar, 1.1 shares, had a recent dividend from those guys as well, up nearly 60% on that one. What a fantastic investment. I wish I had bought more, of course. Diageo, 5 shares, up 13% on these. Reality Income, 3 shares in this one, up 4%. This is a position that I want to, as a monthly dividend payer, this is a position that I want to boost massively and make it one of my biggest positions. FTSE 250, Vanguard FTSE 250 ETF, up 13% on that one with 4 shares. Vanguard FTSE 100 ETF, 4 shares again, up 4.4%. Intertech, 2 shares in that, down 1.7% at the moment. National Grid, trading sideways most of the time as it does, but a massive solid dividend payer. 12 shares in this one, up almost 1%. Starbucks doing particularly well, recovering from the pandemic and getting its stores open again. 1.1 shares in this, up 25%. HSBC will be restoring its dividends pretty soon, so I have been told. It's pretty much break even on that one at the moment. Was down about 20% at one stage. I've just played patient and averaged down a bit. Commercial property I actually can't sell at the moment because it's, well, I can sell but I can't buy more, and I don't want to sell it for a 27% loss, so I'm holding it steady until I can ship it on, and then I'll reinvest the money elsewhere. Pennon Group 4% down on that one for 4 shares. Tate and Lyle 12% up, 5 shares in that one. A position that's underrepresented really. I really want to add to this position. Eurostoxx dividend, just the 2 shares in that, up 2.9%, again needs growing. Likewise with Halma, just the 1 share. That position needs to be at least £100, and I will work on that over the coming months. Lockheed Martin around the same, almost 10% down on that one. All of these positions that aren't in over £100 yet, I want to work on to get them up to that. And then the next stage for my portfolio is to get all of these to £500 or more. Obviously the ones that are in the red, I will average them costs down and invest into those first, because that will bring my average down. But the target is to try and get all of these companies to £500 or so, give or take. I mean, AT&T and Unilever are a little bit up on that, but the plan is to get about £500 in all of these portfolios and then go back to the front again and start again and boost them up to 1,000. But if bargains become available on the stock market, if AT&T were to drop to 20% down, then I'd consider averaging down more in that one as well. Or if any opportunities present themselves, I'm going to definitely take advantage of them. So that is the portfolio review complete, up £533, can't really complain. Only been going for about a year, about to swap to a new ISA allowance as well, so I'm excited to see where I'm at this time next year. So what do you think of my portfolio, guys? Have I got enough positions? What do you think of the positions I've got? Do you think I should average down? What do you think of the strategy that I've just mentioned? Be awesome if you let me know in the comments below what you think. And is there any positions that you think I should get rid of, or positions that I should add? Do let me know. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. Absolute pleasure as always. If you could smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel on your way out, that would be awesome. And I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later.